In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to CitySavings Bank. First, open your GCash app. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and that your GCash balance is enough to cover the amount you want to send, plus any applicable transfer fees. If the app asks you to log in, do that now so you're on the main dashboard. From the home screen, look for the transfer option. It's usually visible among the main shortcuts. Tap Transfer to open the Money Transfer section. On the next screen, choose Local. This tells GCash that you're sending money to a bank within the country. Now, use the search bar to look for CitySavings Bank. Type the bank name carefully, and when you see CitySavings Bank in the list of supported banks, tap it to open the transfer form. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling or scroll through the list until you find it. On the transfer form, start by entering the amount you want to send. Take a second to confirm the amount is correct and within your daily transfer limit. Next, enter the account name exactly as it appears on the recipient's bank account. Spelling matters here. Mismatched names can cause delays. Then, enter the account number. Count the digits and verify them carefully to avoid sending money to the wrong account. If there's a field for a note or reference, you can add a short description to help you or the recipient remember what the transfer is for. Before you proceed, review everything on the screen: the bank name, the amount, the account name, and the account number. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Send Money. Follow the prompts on your screen. GCash may display a summary for you to confirm and could ask for your authentication, such as a PIN or a one-time password. Enter what's required promptly and never share these codes with anyone. Wait a moment for the transaction to process. You should see a confirmation message once it's successful, and you may also receive a text or an in-app receipt. It's a good idea to take a screenshot or save the receipt reference number in case you need it later. If you encounter a maintenance notice or a delay, don't worry. Just try again after some time, or check your transaction history to verify the status. And that's it. You've opened GCash, tapped Transfer, selected Local, searched and selected CitySavings Bank, entered the amount, account name and account number, and then tapped Send Money while following the on-screen prompts.